Strengthening Faith 100. I had a thought which I wanted to share. For most Muslims, believing that the sincere obedience of Allah, the Exalted, leads to paradise is not much of a leap of faith. This is because this concept has been infused into their minds from a young age and is quite obvious to accept also. The real leap of faith actually involves believing that the one who uses the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, which is outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, will obtain peace of mind and body in this world. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
And chapter 13 Ar-Ra'd, verse 28.
Unquestionably, by the remembrance of Allah do hearts find peace.
One of the reasons this reality is hard to accept is that it seems to outwardly contradict logic. Logic dictates that a person will only find peace and happiness when they fulfill their desires. In addition, when people observe social media, culture, fashion, and the majority of other people, they all point towards and encourage one to obtain peace and happiness through fulfilling their desires. Even the devil will not deny that the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, leads to paradise, but he scares Muslims from using their blessings in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, beyond the basic obligatory duties, by convincing them that if they did this, they would experience a miserable life in this world. All these reasons and more prevent one from using their blessings in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as they fear giving up their desires will prevent them from being happy and obtaining peace of mind. Instead, people unconsciously claim that if Allah, the Exalted, grants them peace, then they will use their blessings correctly in order to obtain more. But Allah, the Exalted, has made it clear that a person will not gain peace until they use the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Him first. This leads to a person becoming inactive, thereby preventing them from acting correctly and obtaining peace of mind and body. One must study, learn and act on the teachings of the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, in order to strengthen their faith, which will encourage them to take this leap of faith so that they obtain peace of mind and body in both worlds. For example, when one believes with certainty that the controller of hearts is none but Allah, the Exalted, then they understand that no worldly desire will lead to peace of mind if one fails to use the worldly blessings they have been granted correctly. Whereas, no difficulty will prevent them from obtaining peace of mind, as long as they use the blessings they have been granted correctly, just like the Holy Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, obtaining peace and security in the midst of a fire. Chapter 21 An-Anbiya, verses 68 to 69.
They said, "Burn him, Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, and support your gods if you are to act." We, i.e., Allah said, "O fire, be coolness and safety upon Abraham,